Hello Internet, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about Ragnarok on our series of Before You Buy. In this case, before you mint, because they are minting in the 27th of April. So 2 more days. Let's get started. But first, a little bit of disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This is just entertainment and information before you mint Ragnarok meta. So what is Ragnarok meta? Basically it's a game. If I can sum it up for you guys, it's a game, right? So you got like these 3 base character, ape, a guy, or a girl. Okay. So what are they exactly? Ragnarok is a true metaverse meta RPG. Yeah. So they are building the game itself, and they already had a proof of concept of their alpha. So you can see later the alpha test of their build of the game. Okay, so it is accessible through all browsers. So it's a browser game on chain. Yeah, it's a blend of lore, Web3, metaverse, and a role-playing game. Yeah, the collection is 7,777. Yeah, they love 7 in this NFT. The Ronin are your exclusive access to the RPG, so the only one who can play is the one who has the NFT. That's what I'm reading here. Okay, it can become your profile character, your in-game character. So yeah, it's something that I haven't seen personally myself. I've seen NFT like this, like Web3, but yeah. We'll dive into that later. You can slay monster, loot objective, craft NFT, gain XP. Yeah, it's basically if you ever play Ragnarok online, maybe you can have some similarity with this one. Okay, so the roadmap. The first one is they have the multiplayer demo. Yeah, let me show you the demo right here. This is a playable demo. Yeah, this is my character or my avatar. Yeah, and later on, if you mint your NFT, this character, the character that you mint, the NFT that you mint, can be your playable character. Okay, so this is the map. This is the first map that they are building. It's just a proof of concept of what they are building and what they can do with it. Okay, so yeah, this is pretty cool. Again, I've seen similar things like the Web3, the World Wide Web. I'm gonna show you guys later on, but yeah, this is a cool proof of concept. Haven't seen anything like this before. This is a sneak peek. You can actually talk to the NPCs right now. You know what year it is. You can type 2. You can type anything you like, and this is just a basic concept of what they are going to deliver to you guys, to us. Yeah, for us to mint. Okay, so that's a good sign of it, that the developer really brings out their A game into the concept for us. Okay. And after the multiplayer demo, we got the NFT minting, which is soon. Yeah, 2 days from now, April 27. There will be your playable character is on May, the release date. Yeah, so imagine this is your NFT and you get this. And they will have a breeding function in May. Yeah, details about this are not being available to us yet. And the marketplace will be on June. Yeah, the marketplace will be different from. It's like an OpenSea. Yeah, their very own OpenSea. Yeah, you can purchase or sell your own in here. And then there's a manga. Yeah. Oh wait. Yeah. I've seen the roadmap. I've seen the manga itself. Yeah, it's fun. It's a lore driven, like they said on top. It's a lore driven game. Yeah, so they can change, and I think it's a community based lore type of game. Yeah, so it's very different from what I've been seeing with the proof of concept that is very strong. Okay, Combat Monster releasing in June. June is like 2 months away. Yeah, guys. So I think this is a very good roadmap. They also had a really fantastic website that you can visit, very interactive. Leveling up, Combat Monster and leveling up. NFT item later on, maybe you got loot box and everything. And Rag economy. Rag is basically their tokens, their in-game tokens, like Met in metaverse. And then combat player PvP. I think this one is a PvP. The first layer of player, PvP. layer of player-to-player combat, giving you the opportunity to kick the heck out of your friends. Okay. And building and billboards, purchase customized property. As you can see here, yeah, they got buildings here. And yeah, if they can build this, they can build anything on chain in game. I mean, yeah, you can play it in browser. Basically, you don't need to download anything. Yeah, it's a good sign of the developer really think about the game itself, right? They got lots of cool NPC here. This is one of the, I think this is one of the Avatar founder. Fanfaren is one of the founder. Okay, and Pixel Dimension. Yeah, they had the roadmap until December, but I figure if they are succeeded in the they succeeded in just like first 7, I can see this going to the future. Okay, so yeah, pretty good, pretty bullish on Ragnarok. They are minting in 27th of April if you want it. And this is the mint info. Yeah, 7 p.m. CET. It's the public sale. You can read this out on the website. Basically, their public sale is a fair, it's a fair auction. They call it fair auction. It's a bit similar to Dutch auction. However, the good thing about this is that you can claim back the difference between the price you mint at the closing price of at the auction. What does this mean? So yeah, it's starting at 0.77 and it's gonna drop 2.5% every 7 minutes. Yeah, and if the Ronin doesn't sold, the 4,000 Ronin doesn't sold out, it's gonna stop at 0.21. And the good thing about fair auction is that if you purchase at 0.77 and the sale stops at 0.21, you will get refunded 0.56 ETH to your wallet back. Yeah, so it's a fair auction, and I think it's a very good system that they built. Everyone will get the fair price of their actual NFT. Yeah, and the second one is the pixel sale. It's actually the whitelist one. Yeah, they got 2,900 spots. The price will be the stop price of the fair auction. For example, if the fair auction sold out in 0.5 ETH, then the pixel sale will be 0.5 ETH. Pill sale is basically the same. Yeah, each pill list can mint 1 Ronin maximum at 50% discount on the closing price. Yeah, basically this one is for partners and stuff. And the final sale, if anything from here is not sold out, can go to here. To the final sale at the closing fair auction price. Okay, so that's the mint details that you need to know. Is there anything else? Yeah, you can check the link. I will give it to you in the description. And want to talk about their Twitter. Twitter looks good. They got almost 200,000 followers. Yeah, and the Discord. Okay, so how did they pixel mint list people? How do people get the pixel rule? Well, basically they didn't have that grind culture here as well, which I like. Yeah, they have contest culture. Yeah, they have quests. That's what I call it. They have quests like this one. The first phase, you need to write a short 280 character intro about who you are and what you do. Link to your Twitter. This is the first phase, and the second phase is you need to follow at least 77 fellow Ragmi members. Okay, this is just one of their contests, and this one is the art contest. Yeah, but basically less on the grinding culture, more on the contest or quest. Yeah. I think that's a good sign of any projects. Yeah, they also had good partnership with other projects like Llama, like Mind Blow On and everything, Anatta. Yeah, so everything is good. And yeah, let's talk about the founder. The founder itself, it's not doxed. Yeah, but however, the doxing thing can be obsolete because we can see that the proof of concept that they have built. Yeah, it shows that they can build. It shows their skill. Yeah, it shows what they are capable of doing this. Okay, and haven't talked about the art. What NFT? Yeah, the art is actually the PFP. I'm sorry, the PFP pictures. Yeah, and this is what I imagine how, yeah, it's just clean and it looks cool. Imagining how the P2E later on, we got male, female, we got apes, I believe. Yeah, we got apes also. Yeah, pretty cool. And I think, and you will play this on as your avatar on Ragnarok. Okay, and here you can actually type and chat with the guys. Yeah, it's actually based on MMO, and I think it's gonna be like Ragnarok. Yeah. So another thing that needs to be pointed out is they are building the game in. They are actually building the game in Avalanche. And the case for Avalanche, you can read this out. I can link this document on the description. Basically, they are saying ETH is the ecosystem for NFT. However, for playing game is not sustainable because of the speed and also the transaction fee. Okay, transaction fee in ETH, they are lower. They have been lowered, but for an active game like this, they need to have another EVM compatible chain, which in this case they choose Avalanche or Avax. Yeah, they also considering Harmony, they also considering Avalanche, but they are going for Avalanche. You can read up on the documents. It's pretty good. Yeah, they consider all of this, and also you can check the Substack for Fanfaron. Basically art execution and transparency. The proof of concept it's already transparency for me. Yeah, and gonna talk about the competitors. I think for this one is the World Wide Web. Yeah, as you can see, Azuki, Bobu Holder already have their in-game avatar here, which you can actually play, and there's a quest here somewhere. Yeah, but basically something similar with Alpha Web, although I haven't really do deep dive analysis on Alpha Web. But yeah, this video is about Ragnarok, and I think Ragnarok is very good at proving themselves in their games, in their community as well. The community is very, the community is very helpful in things. Lots of gift, and everyone is excited for the mint. So that is all for Ragnarok meta. You can check them out. You can check the website and tell me what you think about Ragnarok meta. Are you gonna mint? Do you have the pixel list, or you're gonna pass on this one? But for me personally, I'm definitely gonna mint this one because look at this. They're already playable. They have the concept. And the developer thinks about all the stuff here. They weigh in options. The medium is also you can read up on the medium. They had lots of information that you needed. Let me know in the comments what do you think. And I think that's all for me. If you like the content, please subscribe. If you don't like it, please drop in the comment on how I can improve to bring this content to you guys. So thank you very much for watching. Good night.